Hello guys, this is Press. And of course guys, before anything else, I would like to wish you all a happy new year. Sana ay maging maganda ang pasok ng taon sa atin. And of course, magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming blessing this coming new year. And of course guys, I would like to take this opportunity to remind you all guys na please no celebratory firing this coming new year guys. Guys, syempre every year naman natin tong reminder sa atin na yun nga, no celebratory firing kasi 'di ba maraming guys, all comes up must come down, 'di ba? So hindi natin alam pagka gumamit tayo ng ng laruan natin, 'di ba? May pagbaba ng ng bullet, may matatamaan na inosente. So pangit naman 'yun na ang ganda-ganda ng pasok ng taon, may madadamay, 'di ba? And remember guys, we are responsible for every bullet that exit in our muzzle, the muzzle of our firearm. So kahit anong matamaan yan, kahit tao, hayop or property, it's completely on to you, di ba? Kaya guys, kumuha na tayo ng better alternative para makapag-celebrate tayo ng natin ng New Year, hindi gumagamit ng firearm, di ba? Para lahat safe. And of course guys, meron yan batas, which is the Republic Act 11926, which is an act of penalizing willful and indiscriminate discharge of firearm guys. Guys, 4 years imprisonment to. 4 years guys. So not worth it, di ba? Not worth it na isugal natin na gagamitin natin tapos alam 4 years guys. Not worth it talaga. So yun lang guys. Niremind ko lang kayo guys na yun nga, be safe, no indiscriminate firing, and of course enjoy. One time better alternative guys, like this guys, I'm using lang the Torotot. Yun lang ko dito, yun lang ginagamit ko. Yun. Kaya guys, see you next year. And of course, sana supportahan nyo pa si Press Check sa mga adventures natin. More firearms to come, more adventure, kahit ano guys. Leave nyo lang sa comment kung anong gusto nyo makita. So yun lang guys, this is Press. Happy New Year and reminding you all guys na no celebratory firing this New Year. So yun lang guys, Press Check.